So I had to do a Facebook Live video the other week, and I didn't just want to use my mobile phone, mainly because I wanted to use other assets like screenshots and kind of demonstration of things, and also because the quality of my mobile phone, particularly the sound quality, wasn't going to be great. So I had to look at a way of doing it from desktop, and this is a good way of using a tool called OBS to do a Facebook Live from your desktop. And it took me a while to figure it out, so I thought I'd put it just into this quick little video to show you how it works. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is go over to Facebook page, which is called Facebook.com/live/create, and then create a live stream there. So Facebook.com/live/create. And then what we need to do is select the page that we want to go live on. So in this instance over here, I'm going to drop it down and go to my business page. So we're going to select Blinkback there. And then what I need is the stream key. So I'm just going to copy the stream key here. Then we're going to go over to OBS. This is OBS. It's a free bit of software that you can download. Now I'm going to get a little bit of feedback in the screen here. You're going to see lots and lots of pictures of my face and screens disappearing off into the distance. There's not really much I can do about that. But we take our stream key and we go down to settings, and we go up to stream, and we're going to just paste it in here. And then we're going to click apply and OK. And then we're going to do a couple of other little things. What I did, because I wanted to set up two different scenes. So this scene, which is scene one, which is me being able to talk to the camera directly, so you can still see my face. And then a second scene, which is the desktop. So just down here on the left, you'll see there's scenes, and you can create a new scene by clicking on the plus button. And when you do that, it'll then create a new area just here, a blank area, and then you can add in what you want to be in that scene, in that area. So I click on the plus button, and then for me, I added in display capture, and I picked one of my screens and I added it in there, so display capture 2. That means now that I can toggle between this, which is scene 1, and scene 2, which is the screen, and that's going to allow me to do that. Once I've done that, I just want to go across and click on Start Streaming. Now there's two things you can do here actually. You can stream by clicking on Start Streaming, but you can also record this entire thing. So if you want to use this Facebook Live and you want to have it recorded on your desktop and put it up on your site or something afterwards, then you want to click Start Recording here. Now I've already clicked that because I'm doing this video, but that's a really useful tip. It means you can actually record the Facebook Live as a separate file. For the moment, I'm going to click on Start Streaming, and when you do that, if we just give it a moment to figure it all out, then suddenly the Go Live button is highlighted down here on the bottom right, and we can click Go Live when we're ready. So the important thing to remember is that when you click Start Streaming on OBS, you're not actually going live, you're just connecting the stream through to Facebook. It's only when you click Go Live on the Facebook page that we've just set up that you're actually going to start broadcasting. Now, if you've got two screens on your desktop, it's a little bit easier because you can put your OBS tool over on one side on one screen, and then you can capture the other screen so that the OBS tool isn't getting in the way when you're recording. If not, then you might want to use hotkeys so that you can switch between scene 1 and scene 2 using keys on the keyboard. So if you want to do that, you need again to go back to your settings, go down to hotkeys, and then where it says scene here, we've got scene 1 and scene 2, or scene and scene 2, and then you can just add in a hotkey there. So switch to scene, I've set that to 1, and then switch to scene, I've set that to 2. OK that, and then now when we hit 1 and 2 on the keyboard, we can toggle back and forth between those two scenes, and that just means you can get the OBS tool out of the way while you're recording. OK, I hope that's been useful. My name's David Kilkelly. Don't forget you can come and follow me on LinkedIn or subscribe on YouTube. I'll put a link down below somewhere. All right, ta for now.